Heather, we're checking out one of your favorite communities, our only 55 and up community here.
That's right. We've got a breeze bay here today. One of the most popular floor plans. It has a pool and it's on the water. I can't wait to show it to you. Let's go. Come on in. This model offers a large den space. They've added the barn door, so you can now make it a closed room.
Loving the kitchen and living area, the Breeze Bay model offers plenty of space.
Hey Britt, come on out. I love this pond view.
Absolutely, and those slider doors, the way they bring the outside in.
Yes, extra living space here.
I love it.
I love the expanse of this ensuite right into the main bedroom that overlooks the pool and the pond views.
Heather, I love the way this space flows. If you're in the kitchen, you don't miss anything.
And you get all those views. It's awesome. So for more information, look in the description below. I've got the listing link there for you.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Don't miss out on any future deals like this one.